There are cars, and then there are moments in automotive history that completely change the game. Moments when a brand takes everything it has learned, every bit of racing heritage, every ounce of engineering muscle, and builds something that feels almost impossible. This is one of those moments. Meet the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, a car that doesn't just raise the bar, it bends it, breaks it, and rebuilds it in carbon fiber and turbocharged fury.
Beneath that sculpted body sits a masterpiece, a twin turbocharged 5.5-liter flat plane crank V8 known internally as the LT7. This isn't your average performance engine. It's derived from the naturally aspirated LT6 in the Corvette Z06, already one of the finest V8s ever made. But now, it's been force-fed by two precision-engineered turbos. The result? An astonishing 1,064 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque. Numbers that catapult this 6th-generation Corvette from 0 to 60 in just 2.3 seconds and onward to a top speed of 233 miles per hour. Let that sink in. That's Bugatti territory, but it's all from a car wearing a Chevrolet badge. It's not European, it's not exotic, it's proudly and unapologetically American. And unlike most hypercars, this one isn't a limited edition or locked behind collector lists. It's a production Corvette. That's what makes it so unbelievable.
The ZR1 isn't just fast in a straight line. It's designed to dominate corners, racetracks, and everything in between. Chevrolet has built a completely new aerodynamic system that doesn't just look aggressive, it's functional down to every millimeter. With the carbon fiber aero package, the ZR1 generates more than 1,200 pounds of downforce at speed. Every intake, splitter, wing, and vent works to glue the car to the tarmac. Air enters through massive front openings, flows under the car, and exits through a flow-through hood that reduces lift. Those side inlets, they feed air straight to the intercoolers, keeping temperatures under control even during flat-out runs. If you opt for the ZTK Performance Package, the car goes even further, with Michelin Pilot Cup 2R tires, track-tuned suspension, and upgraded cooling that turns it into a legitimate track weapon. This isn't showy design, it's science wrapped in carbon fiber.
Step into the ZR1, and it immediately feels different from any Corvette before it. The cabin is tight, focused, and immersive, like you've stepped into a fighter jet cockpit. Carbon fiber dominates the space, contrasted with suede, leather, and customizable stitching that feels both premium and purposeful. Every control, every paddle, every digital gauge is angled toward the driver. The moment you grip the steering wheel, you realize this car isn't about comfort, it's about control. You get multiple driving modes: Tour, Sport, Track, Weather, and the option to create your own custom setup through My Mode. Then there's Z Mode, activated right from the steering wheel, which instantly transforms the car into its sharpest, loudest, most aggressive self. Even the digital displays react, showing boost pressure, torque output, lap times, and real-time telemetry. It's like having a professional race engineer sitting inside your dashboard.
But here's the surprising part. Despite all this power, the ZR1 isn't some uncontrollable monster. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers razor-sharp shifts, and the magnetic ride control suspension constantly adapts to the road. Carbon ceramic brakes come standard, giving you the stopping power you need to tame over 1,000 horses. Even the weight distribution is perfectly balanced thanks to its mid-engine layout. All of it works together to make the ZR1 usable, whether you're cruising through the city or blasting down a track straight. It's violent when you want it to be, but civilized when you need it to be. From every angle, the 2026 ZR1 looks like a supercar that escaped from a wind tunnel. The front is low and menacing, the hood carved with deep vents that hint at the monsters lurking below. The profile is sleek, muscular, and distinctly Corvette. Short overhangs, sharp creases, and wide haunches that look ready to pounce. And that rear wing, it's not just for looks. It's there to generate real downforce, keeping this car planted even past 200 miles an hour. Chevrolet didn't just build a Corvette that's faster. They built one that's meaner, more technical, and visually unforgettable. You can get it as a coupe or convertible in multiple trims, from the focused 1LZ to the luxurious 3LZ. Every version carries the same DNA, that relentless pursuit of performance.
So what do you think? Is this the greatest Corvette ever built, or has Chevy gone too far this time? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Corvette ZR1, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because we've got more legends and future icons coming your way soon.